Well, hello everybody. Welcome to our channel. It's Olive Alms Daily Life. And I shared a little post about why I decided to get back to my YouTube channel. It was more about a networking, and I'm really big on supporting women businesses. But over the years, I actually came in contact with a lot of people that are in business, men, women. It doesn't really matter. It's really about getting the word out there and helping each other with the whatever business that we're trying to promote. So today I am here with my good friend Brittany. We met, I think, a couple of years ago, like I think 3 or 4 years ago. We met here in Las Vegas. It was a company convention, and we met and we connected, and I'm really big on keeping my connection with the people that I meet. And we somehow, Brittany was better than me. She sent me a message. She goes, "Hey, girl, you remember me?" And I'm like, yeah, I do." And then we start talking, and she told me about this line of business that she started. It was just it blew me away because there's so many people, including myself. We always need help on how to lose weight. Sometimes we start a diet because it's not a lifestyle. We just follow keto or low calories or this or that. We get bored and we cheat and then we fall off. So when Brittany told me about the line that she has that actually works, I said, you know what? Let's do this. Let's get this on YouTube channel so more people take advantage of this wonderful way of losing weight products or system that you have. So here you are, Brittany, go ahead.
Here I am. Yes. And so I am not the founder. Our founder and CEO is Gabby Tuft. She started Glow Guided Life Optimization in July of 22, which was the same month I met you, Olive. And I joined Gabby in October. So I have been working on creating this client base, the Glow fam. And I am also a client of ours as well. So we'll get into that in a minute. But first, I wanted to outline what we do and what sets us apart from the rest of the pack when it comes to this industry. For us, it is 100% an overall wellness journey. So we're looking not only at nutrition, which we know is 80%, if not more, of your lifestyle changes, but also fitness, which can be in the gym or at home or out on the go, whatever you prefer to do. Everything's fully customized. The third prong that sets us apart is Gabby's behavioral pattern modification piece or lesson. So those are weekly lessons that are delivered to you by Gabby herself, and then our coaches reinforce it. So this is so much more than the food you eat, the activity that you do every day. One of the best things, if you are looking at Megan B at the bottom of the transformations, she is 147 pounds down as of when we took that photo. She's a rock star in every sense of the word, but she reminds us all the time, this is so much more than health and fitness. It's a change in your lifestyle. It's a change in your emotions and behaviors. And so that's what we really do. So everything's backed by science. Like Olive said, sometimes we pigeonhole ourselves into keto, balanced macros. I don't know about you, Olive, but I hate tracking my food.
I,
So
I I try. It lasts like maybe 3 days, then I fall off again. They're like, what did I eat? When did I eat? So I can people take a picture of your Q&R code?
yeah,
Okay.
yes, they definitely can. If for whatever reason it's not working, you can find us at coachgabby.com. And we deliver our services completely in a virtual environment, including tracking your food. So it's as easy as select, click and go. We even are able to generate a personalized grocery list to you. Every recipe you get is dialed into your macros where you're at on your journey. And as you see progress on the scale, it auto adjusts, which is absolutely fantastic. So we have a top-notch delivery service through our app. It also keeps you in communication with your dedicated coach if you're in your one-on-one coaching program. We do have a self-paced option available now, Olive, which I don't even think you're aware of. But if you're someone who doesn't strive on working with another person, we do have an option for you too, which is great. So you get all of the perks of the app, self-guided. You still get the metrics from checking in each week.
But I
Um,
really, really like, sorry to interrupt you. I'm good at that,
no,
interrupting people. But one of the things that really I loved about your program is having that one-on-one coach. Because, when we talked about this a couple of months ago, you were telling me about how it works, that you could actually have a coach. And sometimes you just wanted somebody to understand you, like be personal, just that one-on-one. And I think that's fantastic because losing weight, especially as women, we're so sensitive with a lot of things that we really don't want to share with, a bunch of people. But it's good to have that one-on-one too. So if you want to talk a little bit about that one-on-one that they could possibly have would be great.
yes, absolutely. So, in our one-on-one coaching program, all of our coaches are highly qualified. They're triple certified, fitness, nutrition, and our BPM or behavioral pattern modification. So, you have someone who is fully equipped to take care of you start to finish. They do dig in there because we're unpacking some of those old emotional triggers that some of us aren't even aware of having. And it all starts with the why. Because if you are tapping into the root cause of why you are wanting to change, that will hold when your motivation starts to wane. And so that is one of the biggest keys to our program. That's where we start. And then your coach is walking alongside you, checking in on you each week. You can even have contact with them every day in the app through Messenger. So if you're not a texter, you can send them a voice note or a video and building a rapport that way. We also, in addition to the one-on-one coach, we also have a group community that also helps support you. So you're surrounded by people experiencing similar challenges, experiencing the same level of growth mindset that you're also striving for.
This is fantastic. And Brittany, do you want to talk about how did it work for yourself? Because I remember you said you wanted to experience it first yourself before you actually introduce other people to the program. So you actually went through it. And I could honestly, you guys, I could see a huge difference. As soon as Brittany came on, I said, "Oh my God, did you lose like 100 pounds?" She goes, "No, not there yet, but I have lost a lot." So, am I going to share that picture, or do you want?
Yes.
Okay,
No, go ahead and share.
okay.
Yes, so I have been in and out. I would love to tell all of you exactly like I am the typical client. I tried, I didn't give it my all, my why wasn't strong enough. So these two photos that Olive is sharing with you, this is a year apart at the end of October. So you can tell I'm at about 35 pounds currently. I still have about another 40 pounds to go. But it's all encompassing, right? Like I'm happy with the progress. So while I was off and on starting last September 1, I got critically ill in May, and that's when my life transformed because I do not want to leave this earth yet, and I needed to be in a healthier position. So I reassessed my why. It was all about me. That's the best advice I can give someone. We all want to look great. We all want to be here for our family, but what is the true center of it? And it has to revolve around you. Some of the strongest whys I've experienced are about the person. That being said, I've been up, I've been down, I've seen successes. Honestly, I'm plateauing. My body is totally fine where it's at, even though I'm not happy yet. I'm not to my final goal. So that being said, I'm digging in with all the lessons each week. I'm talking to my coach. There's a misconception, Olive, that I was astounded to find out, which is because I work alongside everyone, it's easier for me. And it's not, because I still have to do the work. They can't do it for me.
Right.
So I've learned to prioritize myself, which especially as females is very hard to do, especially with your families. Everyone's vying for your time. And so I've learned to prioritize myself, giving myself cardio time, making sure I meal prep or making healthier choices. We love to live. Olive, like you like
And
to
the
go out
thing
to eat.
is that, like we said in the beginning, it's really the lifestyle that you choose, and you make few adjustments. And I'm really big in closing. I just want to say this, that I'm really big at about slow process losing weight than fast process, because a lot of times me and my husband go through this week of really eating good and working out, and we're like, lost 5 pounds. Guess what? Next week we gain 7 pounds. So it's better to change your lifestyle, make it a habit. And honestly, if it's fun, you don't need to go back to your old habits. You just keep it and you look great as you are. I'm so glad you came on this YouTube channel today. And I can't wait for more of our fans to watch this and actually contact you, because I see a huge difference in you. So thank you.
Olive. And I just want to close out and echo your sentiments. It is building habits and it is at everyone's pace. So your journey is yours and yours alone. And we're here for you.
Absolutely true.
Thank you so much for having me on. It's so great to see you today.
Absolutely. And don't forget, everybody, go ahead and take a picture of the QR code and get in contact with Brittany and see how it helps you. Bye.